Hello again. We are at Fenney Springs
Nature Trail.
and we're going to walk the trail.
Yep.
We've heard a lot of good things about it, and come along with us. We'll do it together.
And it is August 27th, 2022.
And there's thunder in the background, so we might have to
Yeah.
take cover.
Well, the sun's still out though.
Right, the sun will come out today. All right, here we go.
The world spins fine on her own.
Let's get going. Sorry. So it's a nature trail that is paved,
Yeah.
just so you know.
And it's a quarter mile one way, so
All right,
it's pretty nice.
let's see. And we heard that there were otters here. Now, we can't promise we'll see otters. The gentleman at the gate said that it's more likely to see them in the morning, but we'll see.
Yeah, and it's 10 to 4 p.m. Eastern time. This way?
Yeah, well, let's see what's in here.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, look how beautiful.
That is pretty.
That is gorgeous.
That is really nice.
That is so beautiful. Look at that.
It doesn't even feel like we're in the villages.
No.
Let's walk around and see what we can see. So I thought this was all going to be paved, and I didn't realize it was a boardwalk.
Yeah, it's beautiful. And maybe it's a quarter mile round trip, maybe, since they have two entrances.
Yeah.
Oh, look how pretty. Look at that water. Look how gorgeous.
That looks like it's flowing, too.
Yeah.
Looks like it's got a current to it. That's very beautiful.
It is gorgeous.
There's a big old, what do you call it, oak tree?
Yeah.
Ooh, I heard a
something
fish.
jumped.
Something jumped. Maybe it's an otter.
Could be. Maybe he thinks we have food.
Well, we don't. If you're out there,
But no, look at the different colors. It's definitely a spring, it looks like to me.
we'll have to get
It's
some
like-
Purina otter chow.
Yeah.
That is beautiful. Oops, I heard it again.
Me too.
As soon as I turned away, I heard it. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Look at these trees. They're gorgeous. Oop, there's some more activity down there.
Yeah.
Water level is almost 5 feet.
Oh, yeah. And there's a like a sandy road over there. We'll have to go there too.
Okay. So that's got to be the hiking trail then.
And they said Fenney is the newest neighborhood in the villages.
Yes.
So we're probably not going to see any of the houses because we're not going over that area. But
No, but look at this. Oh, there was another jumper over there. I wonder what that is. You see it?
yeah, something's over there.
Yeah.
I
Oh,
don't-
another jumper.
No, I don't have it on video, but
Oh.
well, possibly. I can't tell on this little screen. If you watch it on the big TV, maybe. Oh yeah, that's fish jumping or something.
Yeah.
Or maybe, wait, maybe that's the otter. Wait, you see it all? Let's go over there.
Just here.
Oh, I see it. I can definitely see it.
Nice.
I want to see an otter. Hey, otter, otter. Otter, otter, I'm free. Wait a minute, are they coming over here? They are coming over here. They're
Yeah.
getting closer. Come on, otter. I want to see one of the otter. One of you. Yeah, I think that's them, Robin. I think that's what's swimming in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, something's in there.
Isn't that something?
I'm tempted to climb this fence.
You would break the rules.
I would break the rules, yeah.
Wow.
Oh, come on. You.
And you tell me, against the rules. There's a bird. Right there.
A bird. Oh my gosh.
Isn't that great?
Yes.
Isn't he beautiful?
Yes, I hope I got him. See him? He's a big blue heron.
He's gorgeous. There definitely is something over there. Activity.
Wow. Yeah. Hello. Oh, he turned his head. See him? Oh, he's
I
turning.
do. He's looking at you.
Yeah.
He heard you.
I think those are otters in there because that wouldn't be fish constantly jumping in the same spot.
No.
But I don't see them. I see the ripples, but I don't see them.
There's another bird right there
Where?
in the opening. See him moving his neck?
Oh yeah.
I don't know what
That looks like one of those anhinga things or whatever. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know what he is. Yeah, I think that water splashing is an otter, or two, or three, or four. Wow.
There he is. He's looking at you.
Yeah,
He just turned around.
yeah. They're safe in there. They know we don't break the rules. Well, we don't see the otters, but they
The
are.
bird turned around now.
I do feel like
He's looking at us.
they know that this is a safe place for them.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know what this body of water is. Is this a tributary to, like, does this lead to a river somewhere? Oh, it's definitely flowing. That must be a spring. Oh, it's definitely flowing, Robin. That is a flowing body of water right there. Well, if it's flowing, it means it's not warm. It's probably nice and cool for the otters. Boy, you could swim in that. That looks refreshing enough to swim in.
Well, I was fascinated by that bird. He had his long neck down. His face was by the water, so I wanted to watch him, but I had to come by you.
Springs run. Water discharged via the vent at the head spring meanders down gradient and into the wetlands. Fenney Spring average daily discharge is 18 million gallons
Wow.
per day. Well, that's
Wow.
redundant. Daily and then per day. Though there are periods when the flow is much less, essentially zero during dry periods. Wow. Very cool. Bless you.
Very
All right, here's a nice opening here too. Now that's water. This is where you can see how clear the water is. Nice and clear.
I love these purple things.
Yeah, I don't know what they are, but I see them a lot in our area. I see them around. Oh, now we can walk on the dirt.
Or we can go finish the circle. Finish the loop.
Okay. We'll finish the loop.
I guess it's a half-mile round trip now, since it looks like it's a loop. Look at this.
That's natural Florida right there.
Right there.
Oh, something jumped. Did you hear it? Oh, this is definitely a nice opening right here. Oh, nice. I see a turtle
Oh, nice.
way over there.
This is station number 3. We missed station number 1. Look at this. Yeah, I agree with you. This would be beautiful to swim in.
Very nice. You ever make another Tarzan movie? Here's another location for you,
Yeah.
for you movie makers. Jason Momoa should be the next Tarzan. That would be a great role for him, wouldn't it?
Oh, yeah. That was
Yeah, he looks like Tarzan.
Yeah.
Tarzan was always too clean cut, so Jason would be great because he's got the long hair and all that. Jason, see, we know him personally.
That's right. We keep tabs on him. Somebody threw their poppy down there.
Their coffee?
Poppy.
Oh, they're poppy.
You know those poppies that you get.
No, that's not a poppy.
What is that? It's red.
That's a floater that's a bobber from fishing.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah, I saw that. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, it is a bird, Robin. Right there on that log.
Oh, I see it.
He's right there. Kind of hard to see him.
Yeah, but I got him.
Yeah.
Now look at it. The water
Yeah.
moving.
Yeah, definitely flowing.
This is number 4. We gotta find number 1.
We keep walking. We'll find number 1. It's bigger than I realized.
Yeah.
Did we do all that?
Huh?
This is the rest of the circle, but we didn't do this piece.
No.
Let's walk up here.
Okay.
Oh, this takes you to the grill he was telling us about.
Oh, the restaurant.
Yeah, and then we'll come back down and finish the circle.
Yeah. And then we can go on the sandy trail. I just wanted to finish the circle first. Yeah, there it is. Fenney Grill.
Nice.
There.
This is a design similar to what I saw down at Celebration, Florida, near Disney.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this trail just leads to that restaurant, that cafe.
Oh, okay.
And there's a swimming pool there. That's a guy swimming.
Oh, I see him. He's got a towel wrapped around him.
Oh, wow.
Nice.
Wow. Did you bring your bathing suit?
No, I can go in with my shorts on. Nobody cares.
Nobody would care.
No. Oh, this is nice. Look at that tree. Huge. It's gorgeous. Has to be a couple centuries old, I would guess.
Absolutely. Very tall. Yeah, on the other side of that wall right there is a swimming pool.
Yeah.
And there's a restaurant, Fenney Grill.
Uh-huh.
Let's do our best to show it.
Okay.
We don't want to interfere with people's privacy. Privacy. Look at that. Look at that. You sit around there about the campfire.
Yeah.
A fire pit. Wow.
Fenney fire pit. Nice.
Wow. Let's come here and start a fire.
Okay.
Well, there's the swimming pool. Let me show it.
Nice. That's beautiful.
That's very nice.
I like it.
Well, we'll have to come back here for that part of this.
Yeah.
Right now, we're sticking with the nature.
That's right.
The nature of things.
Nature trail. The only people allowed on this nature trail is the walkers. No dogs, no bikes, no runners, no
Oh.
carts, no smoking. It's just a trail for walkers.
Well, we walked earlier today, and I was worn out from that walk. But then I recovered. We went and had lunch at Publix upstairs.
Oh, yeah, that was great.
I never even knew there was an upstairs.
No, a brand new one. So
Had a
nice.
Publix sub, which is a favorite of ours.
Very healthy.
It just felt right. And then I recovered from being overheated and just tired. So then we said, let's go to Fenney Springs. We've heard so much about it.
Yeah, this is so nice.
Okay, so then we want to go down
That.
this. Yeah, the rest of the circle.
Yeah.
It might be perfect timing too, because A, my battery's almost out, and B, there's a thunderstorm very close.
Yeah.
And if we could just get an otter to show his cute little face, it would make our day.
Well, we should go buy some fish from the restaurant and hang out.
Yeah, oh my gosh, that's an idea.
Raw fish.
Here's station number 5. Oh, we still didn't find number 1.
No.
Real pretty.
I love this. I love nature walks. Look how pretty this is.
This is that beautiful one. I think your mom would like this one.
Yeah, I think so too.
The other one we did was so long. I was worn out.
And it was through the residential area. So there's another part to that one that we'll do one day, and that's
Yeah.
in a woodsy area like this.
Yeah. Anyway, so it's a beautiful day in Florida. It is almost September. Oh, it's the, what do you say, 27th of August?
Yes.
Yeah, so we're almost done with the summer months.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, it's Florida, so it'll feel like summer for a while.
Oh yeah, summer for me ends in January.
Yeah. Well, you get a little whiff of winter or autumn.
Yeah.
That's about it. You get a little whiff of winter in January. Is this number 1? This is number 6.
Number 6.
Where is number 1?
We must have missed it. But you saw a turtle, though.
I did see a turtle. And we saw a couple birds.
Yeah.
All right, if this battery runs out before we're done, we won't worry about tagging it.
Okay.
Oh, maybe we will. But anyway, we are going to wrap it up soon anyway. So
Yeah.
in case we don't get a chance to say we'll see you later, we'll see you later.
That's right. And the world spins fine.
On her own, but we're going to keep walking.
Yeah.
So now maybe this is number one. I don't know how it could be. You would think number one would be the first one after the restaurant, right? This is where we came in, no? No. This is number 7, Robin.
7.
Don't ask me how it happened. So natural, even the sound is natural. It's funny, you look to the right and it looks like old natural Florida. You look to the left and it's manicured lawns and what the Villages is about.
That's right.
This is where we came in, I think.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so I missed the number 1. I still are moving over there. Oh, there it is, the slippers.
I hear him. Let's see if we can see him.
See it? It's shiny.
Oh, you saw him?
I just saw the black shiny.
All right, let's see if we got enough video battery left to see him.
It just zipped up to the top for a moment and went back down. It was
All right.
shiny back
All right, peel your eyes, kids.
behind there.
See if you see him. Oh, I definitely hear him. I see movement in the water.
Yeah. They're just playing, they're making noise.
Yeah, they're doing what they do. It does seem like most of nature does what they do, and they always find time to play,
Yeah,
right?
but you can hear it. You caught the noise on the camera.
Yeah.
The flippies.
Yeah, I definitely hear them. All right, the battery's almost done, so let's turn this around and say goodbye.
Okay.
All right, well, there you go. We have an actual ending.
Yeah.
Take care.
Be good. Don't forget to write.
Writing is very important.
And remember, the world spins fine.
On her own, baby. Let's wrap this
Yeah.
up waiting for a
Otter.
otter to show his face.
The world spins fine on her own, yeah. The world spins fine on her own. The world spins fine on her own, yes. The world spins fine on her own.
There's definitely something over there. There he's flipping.
There he is. Look at him.
I wish I could see him, but I see his action. I see his activity. Very cool.